Workplace phrasal verbs quiz number 2. Number 1. Before we start the project, let's blank the client's requirements to make sure we're aligned. A. Go over. B. Take on. C. Look into. Answer is each letter A. Before we start the project, let's go over the client's requirements to make sure we're aligned. Number 2. Can you please blank the documents for me before I send them out? A. Run by. B. Follow up. C. Back up. Answer each letter A. Can you please run by the documents for me before I send them out? Number 3. I'll blank the new software installation to see if there are any issues. A. Carry out. B. Set up. C. Call off. Answer each letter A. I'll carry out the new software installation to see if there are any issues. Number 4. I'm afraid we'll have to blank the meeting since the main speaker is sick. A. Call off. B. Look into. C. Take on. Answer each letter A. I'm afraid we'll have to call off the meeting since the main speaker is sick.